Hello everyone. So my name is Devashish Padi. Today we will discuss the ongoing series of your computer organization, and today we will discuss the division method that is known as my restoring division method. How we will perform division of two numbers by the help of restoring division method. Today we will discuss that topic, and let us start today's class. What is generally a restoring division method? Okay. So a division algorithm provides a quotient and a remainder when you divide two numbers. Okay. When we divide two numbers, generally in mathematics, when we divide two numbers, it results quotient and remainder. Let us consider we divide 7 with 2. 7 divided by 2. If we divide 7 with 2, the quotient is 3 and the remainder is 1. In every division method, the result is quotient and a remainder. Okay. So, in generally, there are two types of algorithms are there, division algorithms are there. First is known as my slow algorithm, and next one is known as my fast algorithm. Slow division algorithm are restoring division algorithm, non-restoring division algorithm, non-performing restoring division algorithm, and SRT algorithm. And fast division algorithm comes under Newton-Raphson and Goldschmidt algorithm. But in your syllabus, only restoring and non-restoring division algorithms are there. Okay. So first we will perform restoring division algorithm for unsigned numbers. Okay, we will also perform for signed numbers. So restoring term is how we call this division method as a restoring division method. Why we call the division method is known as my restoring division method? Because the value of A is restored. Restored means the previous value is again comes in each iteration, so that it is called as restoring division algorithm. Okay. In each steps, the value of A means value of accumulator is restored. Restored means previous value is again comes. So we call this method as a restoring division method. But in non-restoring division method, the value of A is not restored. Okay. So see what is the different steps of this restoring division algorithm. So let us start. What are the different steps? Okay. So this is the diagram. It is the small diagram. This is known as accumulator, and this is the quotient. Okay. And this is the Q0 value. Okay. So what is this diagram shows? Here register Q contains a quotient. Q means this is a quotient. Okay. And register A contains the remainder. This is a remainder. Okay. A means A value, remainder value is stored in A. Quotient value is stored in Q. Here n bit dividend is loaded in Q and divisor is loaded in M. Okay. The divisor is stored in M and dividend value is stored in Q. Okay. M is the divisor and Q is the dividend. Q is the dividend and M is the divisor. Value of register is initially kept as 0, and this is the register whose value is restored during iteration, due to which it is named as restoring. What I have already told you, the value of A is initialized with 0, and after each iteration, the value of a is restored. What do you mean by restored? We will discuss by the help of example. So, since the value of a is restored in each iteration, so this division method is otherwise called as my non-restoring division method. Okay. Next, this is the flow chart. Okay. First, a value is initializer with 0, m is the divisor, q is the dividend, and count value is n. N means how many steps the problem is solved. Hello. ठीक हो गया. दोबारा बोलो. Okay, count means in how many steps the problem is solved. If we take 4-bit number, the problem is solved in 4 steps. If we take 5-bit numbers, the problem is solved in 5 steps. So n is 5. Okay, m is the divisor and q is the dividend value. What we will do first? First we will shift left all the numbers. A and q first shifted towards left. After left shifting, we will perform a is equal to a minus m. Then we check the value of a is less than 0 or greater than 0. Less than 0 means either value is negative or value is positive. How we will know the value is positive or negative? Now in the last classes, we have already know that if the sign bit is 1, the value is negative. If the sign bit is 0, the value is positive. So a less than 0 means sign bit of a is 1, then the q0 value is 0 and perform a is equal to a plus m. If sign bit of a is 0, that means the number is positive, then q0 value is 1. Then after the first step, count value is decreased as 1. Count is equal to count minus 1. Then check count value is 0. If yes, the process is stopped. If count value is not 0, again shift left a and q. Then perform a is equal to a minus n. Then check sign bit of a is 1 or 0. If 1, then perform this step. It's 0, then perform this step. Again check the count value is 0 or not. So in this way, my restoring division method is solved. So see, we will clearly understand this topic by the help of one small example. So let us start the example. These are the different steps what I have already told you. First, the register are initialized with the corresponding value. Q means dividend, M means divisor, A is equal to 0, N is equal to number of bits is the dividend. Okay. Then content of register A and Q is shifted left as if they are a single unit. Then content of register M is subtracted from A and result is stored in A. Then the most significant bit of the A is checked. If it is 0, the least significant bit of Q is set to 1. Otherwise, if it is 1, the least significant bit of Q is set to 0. And value of register A is restored. That is the value of A before the subtraction with M. Okay, restored means before the subtraction, what is the value? The value of counter N is decremented. If the value of N becomes 0, we get of the loop. Otherwise, we repeat from step 2. finally the register Q contains the quotient and A contains the remainder. So whatever steps I am writing here, I think you are not understand it well. So we will go through one small example so that the concept becomes clear to you. Okay. So let us start one small example. Perform division, restoring division method, 9 divided by 2. So first, I tell you that 9 is nothing but my dividend and 2 is my divisor. Okay. Again I am telling this 9 is known as my dividend. That is the value of Q. Okay. Q is the dividend. Okay. Q is the dividend. And 2 is the divisor. In English term, 9 is known as my dividend and 2 is known as my divisor. So Q is equal to 9 and the binary representation of 9 is 1001. Okay. And M is the divisor. Okay. M is the divisor. So M is equal to 2. 2 means 0010 in binary representation, 4-bit binary representation. I will represent 9 as 1001 in 4-bit representation and I will represent 2 in binary representation, 4-bit representation 0010. Then I will write the ones complement of 0010. 0 is changed to 1 and 1 is changed to 0. So the ones complement of 0010 is 1101. And 2's complement of 0010 means 1101 plus 1, that is 1110. And this A is always initialized with 0. How I will calculate the 2's complement of M, we will discuss, we will see. Okay. To understand this is the dividend, this is the divisor. And the binary representation of 9 is this and the binary representation of 2 is this, 4-bit representation. And A is always initialized with 0. So now I will start the different steps of restoring division algorithm. So this is the 4-bit representation. So my problem is solved in 4 steps. So first is step 1. Okay. First A is initialized with 0. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4-bit representation. And Q means this dividend 1001. Okay. So what is the first step? Now in the first step, we will perform left shift operation. In the first step, we will perform the left shift operation. Left shift operation means all the 4 bits is shifted towards left. If all the 4 bits are shifted towards left, how it will perform? See, this 0 is shifted towards left. If this 0 is shifted towards left, this 0 is totally lost. Okay. Then this 0 is shifted towards left. This 0 is shifted towards left. This 0 is shifted towards left. And this 1 if shifted towards left, it comes to here. Okay. Then this 0 is shifted towards left. This 0 is shifted towards left. And this 1 is shifted towards left. Okay. So this is a 4-bit representation. But after left shifting, since 1 0 is lost here, so it is now 3-bit representation. Now what is the value of Q0? We will discuss. What is the value of this Q0? Then after left shifting, what the next operation is? The next operation is A is equal to A minus M. Or you can perform A is equal to A plus 2's complement of M. Both the operations are same. A is equal to A minus M is same as A is equal to A plus 2's complement of M. So what is the value of A? Now value of A is 0001. Okay. value of A is 000M plus what is the 2's complement of M? Okay, 1110. Okay, so the result is 4 ones. So I am writing here 4 ones. Okay, then check after addition. Then check what is the sign of A, either positive or negative. The sign of A is negative. Why? Now the MSB bit is 1. If sign of A is negative, see less than 0, then Q0 is changed to 0. Q0 is changed to 0 means this bit is changed, here it is 0. After that, perform A is equal to A plus M or restore A. Restore A means what is the previous value? The previous value is 0001. So it is 0001. Then this value is same 001. Restore A is the same as A is equal to A plus M. Okay. So A value is 41 and M value is, we know that 0010. Okay. Then you perform 0001. This is the first step. Again I am telling A is initialized with 0 and this is the Q value. What is the first step? Shift all the bit towards left. Okay, shift all the value towards left. Then perform A is equal to A minus M. A is equal to A minus M is the same as A is equal to A plus 2's complement of M. So this is the result. Okay. Then check the sign of A. Sign of A, this is the MSB bit. MSB bit is 1. If MSB bit is 1, number is negative, less than 0. Less than 0 means Q0 is 0. This bit is 0. Okay. Then restore A. Restore A means what is the previous value? Before the operation, before this operation, what is the previous value? 0001. Okay. 0010. This is the end of step 1. Then what is the step 2? I am writing this value 0001, 0010. 0001, 0010. First step is shift. To shift the operation, this 0 is lost. If I can shift left shift operation, apply this A value, then this 0 value is totally lost. This 0 is comes here, this 0 is comes here, this 1 comes here, and this 0 shifted and comes here. Okay. Then this 0 is comes here, this 1 comes here, this 0 comes here. Then what is the operation? A is equal to A minus M. It is same as A is equal to A plus 2's complement of M. So this is A 00M plus this is 2's complement of M. Okay. This is the 2's complement of M. 1110. So the result is 4 zeros. 4 zeros 010. Then check the sign of A. The MSB bit is 0. This is the MSB bit. MSB bit is 0 means number is positive. If number is positive, what is the Q0 value? No, sir, Q0 value is 1. Okay. Then step 3. I am writing here these values 4 zeros 0101 0101. Then first step is shift. This 0 is totally lost. This 0 is shifted here. This 0 is shifted here. This 0 is shifted here. And this 0 comes to that position. Okay. Then 1 is shifted here. 0 is shifted here. 1 is shifted here. Then perform A is equal to A plus 2's complement of M. Okay. Then the result is 1110. Then check the sign of A. That it is negative because MSB bit is 1. If it is negative less than 0, then Q0 value is 0. And if Q0 value is 0, restore A. Restore A means before operation what is the value? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 zeros 101. If the value of A is negative, then restore operation will be done. If value of A is not negative, no restore operation. Here value of A is positive, not negative, so restore operation is not performed. Okay. Then step 4, this is 40, this value 401010, 401010. First is shift operation. This 0 is totally lost. If I perform left shift operation, this 0 comes here, this 0 comes here, this 0 comes here, and 1 is left shifted and comes here. 0 comes here, 1 comes here, 0 comes here. Okay. Then A is equal to A plus 2's complement of M. This is the value of A. 000m, then 2's complement of m, 1110. So what is the value? 4 ones. So MSB bit is 1, number is negative, Q0 value is 0. Okay. If number is negative, restore the value of A, 001010. Okay. Then what is the remainder? Now this value is remainder. A is the remainder. And what is the quotient? This value is quotient, 0100. And if I directly perform 9 divided by 2, always quotient is 4 and the binary representation of 4 is 100 and the remainder is also 1. 9 divided by 2. 2 4 the 8. So remainder is 1. So this is binary representation of 1. So my operation is successful. So go through the lecture carefully. If you facing any problem, then ask me. Thank you.